Have you received a letter from the IRS and wondered why they won't even discuss a payment plan or settlement? Many taxpayers believe the biggest obstacle is how much they owe. In reality, the biggest obstacle is something called compliance. Before the IRS approves almost any type of debt relief, they expect taxpayers to become compliant. Understanding what compliance means can save you months of frustration and greatly improve your chances of resolving your tax debt. Let's talk about what compliance is, why it matters, and how you can get back into good standing with the IRS. IRS compliance simply means you're meeting your current tax obligations. That generally includes four things. First, you've filed all required tax returns. If you're missing returns from previous years, the IRS considers you out of compliance, even if you believe you don't owe anything for those years. Second, you're making your current tax payments. If you're self-employed, this often means making estimated quarterly tax payments. If you're an employee, it usually means having enough tax withheld from each paycheck. Third, you're staying current with payroll taxes. If you own a business, business owners with unpaid payroll taxes face some of the IRS's most aggressive collection actions. Fourth, you're continuing to file and pay on time going forward. Compliance isn't just fixing the past, it's demonstrating that you're following the tax laws today. Think of compliance as the IRS's way of determining whether you're ready for a fresh start. Imagine asking a bank for a loan while refusing to make payments on your current loans. The bank would question whether you're serious about honoring the agreement. The IRS views tax resolution the same way. Whether you're requesting an installment agreement, an offer in compromise, currently not collectible status, or another collection alternative, the IRS generally wants to see that you've corrected the behavior that caused the problem. For example, if you're asking the IRS to accept less than the full amount you owe through an offer in compromise, but you're still not filing your tax returns or making current tax payments, the IRS is unlikely to approve your request. In fact, many applications are rejected before the IRS even evaluates the taxpayer's financial situation because compliance requirements haven't been met. The good news is that compliance is usually something you can fix. Start by determining whether any tax returns are missing. Next, make sure your current year's taxes are being paid correctly. Employees should review their withholding. Self-employed individuals should evaluate whether they're making adequate estimated tax payments. Business owners should ensure payroll tax deposits are current. Once these items are addressed, you'll often be in a much stronger position to negotiate with the IRS. If you're overwhelmed by IRS notices or unsure whether you're compliant, don't guess. The first step toward resolving tax debt isn't choosing a settlement program. It's making sure you're eligible for one. If you'd like to know where you stand, we can help review your filing history, identify any compliance issues, and explain your available resolution options. Remember, compliance isn't the finish line. It's the starting line for resolving IRS debt. If this video was helpful, subscribe for more practical tax resolution guidance. And if you'd like professional help, contact us today for a compliance review and personalized resolution strategy. If you've received an IRS notice, if you're worried about wage garnishments, bank levies, or growing penalties, or if you simply want to understand your options before making a decision, let Tax Pro Easy become your guide on the side. Start with a free tax debt analysis and discover where you stand, what options may be available, and the next steps toward resolving your IRS situation. Visit us today at www.taxproeasy.com/IRS-notices to begin your resolution journey. Tax Pro Easy, guiding you through the IRS process one step at a time.